All right, after using over 17 different AI video generators, I finally found one that actually stands out. So in this video, I am going to show you the best AI video generator in 2026 so far. It is better than most tools out there right now, but still surprisingly affordable. But here is the catch. If you make these 3 simple prompt mistakes, your videos will look terrible. So make sure you watch this carefully. Just click the link in the description and head over to the JXP video generator. So once you are on the website, click on the login button on the top. Then you can select your Google account or log in with email. I will click on the Google account. Then it will log you into your account. At the top, it will show how many credits you currently have. Right now, I have around 330 credits. You can get more credits from here. But for now, let's focus on generating videos. From the top, click on AI Videos. Then, from the drop-down, click on Happy Pause. This is the new model. It is better than Google VO, Sora, and similar tools. It has multiple features, and the quality is genuinely surprising. First, we have the text-to-video option. We can input text, describe what kind of video we want, and then select the resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. Then we can generate the video. So let's try this. I already have a prompt ready. I will copy it and paste it into the description section. Now, one important thing is that you need to describe your prompt in segments, like I have written from 0 seconds to 2 seconds, then 4 seconds, then 6 seconds. The biggest mistake people make is writing everything in one continuous paragraph. You should not make this mistake. You need to describe your prompt step by step in segments. Now, after writing the prompt, you need to select the video quality. You can choose 1080p or 720p. For testing, I will keep it at 720p. Then we have the aspect ratio. There are multiple options: YouTube, Instagram, Shorts, 1:1, 4:3, 3:4. I will select 16:9. Now it is asking for duration, so I will drag it to around 10 seconds. It will consume around 30 credits. Now I will click on Generate. After a little processing, the video is ready. Let's take a look. Now, did you see the level of accuracy in this video? The action, the shots, the lighting, and the movement, everything looks consistent. No one can tell that this is AI generated. But this is not even the most surprising part. Where it performs best is in anime-style videos. So let's switch and generate another video. I will remove the previous prompt and paste a new one. Again, I will keep the quality at 720p, aspect ratio at 16:9, and duration around 12 seconds. This will consume around 33 credits. Now I will click on Generate. It is generating, and now the video is ready. Let's take a look. Now notice how the camera zooms into the face. The sweat details, the lighting, and the glow in the eyes, it feels like a real camera shot. Nobody can tell this is AI. This is genuinely impressive. Now, another feature that I am really impressed with is image to video. We can upload an image here, then describe the motion and style and generate a video from that image. So let me upload an image. I will wait for it to upload. Now, after uploading the image, I will remove the old prompt and paste a new one. Here, I have described what kind of motion I want, like anime or cinematic lighting. You need to describe this clearly. Then I will select 720p resolution, reduce the duration to around 7 to 8 seconds. It will consume around 30 credits. Now I will click on Generate. It is generating, and now the video is ready. Let's take a look. According to me, this looks really good. The lighting could be slightly better, but the background, the motion, and the facial expressions look very realistic. You can download the video from here or share it directly on different platforms. Now, talking about pricing, I think the pricing is quite reasonable. You can get around $10 worth of credits in the starter pack, and there are other plans available as well. So that was it. If you want to generate high-quality AI videos, I will leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching.